You're about to get 20 hours of your life back every single week. Here are the AI workflows that make it possible. First, the automated content machine. Use an AI writer to generate a blog post. Then, use an AI video tool to turn that post into a video. Then, use an AI social media tool to create 10 social media posts from that video. You've just created a week's worth of content in under an hour. This workflow alone can save you 10 hours a week. Second, the zero inbox workflow. Connect your email to an AI assistant. The AI will automatically sort your emails, draft replies to common questions, and summarize long email chains for you. You only have to deal with the most important messages. This can save you another 5 to 10 hours a week. Third, the AI meeting assistant. Use a tool like otter.ai to automatically record, transcribe, and summarize all of your meetings. You never have to take notes again. The AI creates a perfect summary with action items and key takeaways. This saves you at least 5 hours a week and makes your meetings infinitely more productive. Stop doing manual work that AI can do for you. Implement one of these workflows this week. See how much time you save. Then add another. You'll be amazed at how much free time you have. Subscribe for more AI automation.